Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant error code band 6. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to open a browser, and then you just need to write Valorant server status. Click on the Riot Games website, and then here you need to select your language, and then select Valorant and select your server region here. And look if the servers is not down here. If it's down, nothing you can do about it. You just need to wait. And if it's not down, we can proceed with other steps. So first up, what I suggest to do here is to go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you're getting good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router. Next up, what you need to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt and make sure to open as admin. And then you need to put few commands. So the first command is quite simple. It's IP config /flush DNS. Misclicked it. IP config /flush DNS. Right. Another command is nesh winsock reset. And after that, go ahead and restart your computer. Also, if you're using proxies or VPNs, try to disable them on settings, because sometimes it can be the problem. So all you need to do here is to go to network and internet, VPN, and just disconnect the VPN if it's connected. And then what you need to do here is to go to advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing. Other thing that you need to do here is to open up control panel. Then you need to go to as you can see here, network and internet. Then go to network and sharing center. Then here you need to go to change adapter settings. Then find your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties, and then look for internet protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes and look if the problem persists or not. So that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.